guys, today I'm going to be playing with Play-Doh and making some fun stuff out of it. First I'm going to make one of these and I can make some fruit as well. So let's get to that. Let's do the duck first. So let's get this, and all you have to do is just push that in. That needs to be all over. Like that. It'll come out the back. So when you're done, I'm just going to lay down there. So I'm going to get that bit off there. And then I'm going to try and get these bits around it up. So let's do that. I've done that. Okay. Then we push here in a circle. There. Done. Now, I'm going to show you some toys that I have now. I've made one thing. Now I'm going to show you some toys. I've got this rabbit. I've got this chair with the piano. And I'm going to show you some more. This is not a toy, but this is also a very cool thing. You can, when you pull the legs, it stretches so it goes like that. Yeah. I've made the Play-Doh, and I love you guys. Bye.